Ay, I'm so sorry.
Fun fact, nababangga kami.
Fun fact. You're very...
Thank you.
They say I need to have lights on.
Hi, we're Tita and the Butterfly.
Trentahin na kami. Except si Bert, who's our only Gen Z.
Bentehain.
Bentehay. Oo. Fun fact, na-hospital siya nung single launch namin.
Pero okay na siya.
Okay na siya.
Fun fact, may bago kaming labas na kanta, Winston. Sana i-stream nyo.
Yeah.
Mag-comment kayo para mukhang maraming may paki sa amin.